Hey, what's up? What's going on, YouTube? I'm back. I'm finna get ready and give y'all an update on what's going on with the 69. Right now, it's getting prepped for paint to put the new paint job on it. And what I'm finna do is unbox my wheels so I can see how they look. So y'all can see how the 22-inch wheels go look on the vert. So I'm gonna turn this around, let y'all see it. Crazy, I gotta do all this to unbox some wheels. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, right now what we got some 150 spokes, 22s with a 265 35 R22 tire. The reason I went that size, so when I hit potholes, I ain't gonna about busting the rim open. So I went with the hexagon tips because I was looking at a lot of cars at the Rick Ross car show and I see a lot of them with them tips. That's the most popular tip for them spokes. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to Kenny's Car Channel. I'm bringing y'all more updates on the 69 as we speak. So y'all see another video coming right after this one. Just give y'all a heads up on what I got going on with it. Everybody enjoy the rest of your evening. Have a good day.